These are the lowercase alphabet letters.
Lowercase A, B, C, lowercase d, E, lowercase f, G, H, lowercase I, J, K, lowercase l, M, N, lowercase o, P, Q, lowercase r, S, T, U, lowercase v, W, X, Y, lowercase z.
Let's write the letters we're learning today using our rainbow blocks.
With my parents in a happy mood, I wash up and get ready for bed. Time to rest my sleepy head.
Uppercase T.
Let's follow along and learn, hooray! A daily routine together we'll
Lowercase t. Let's write the letters again by following the dotted lines. Uppercase T. Lowercase t. Good job! A squirrel is going somewhere on a train. Let's follow the train. The train arrived at the forest village where the monkeys lived. The monkey loaded the letter T onto the train. The train arrived at the Antarctic village where the penguins lived. The penguin loaded the letter R onto the train. The train arrived at the grassland where the giraffes lived. The giraffe loaded the letter A onto the train. The train arrived at the farm where the chicks lived. The chick loaded the letter I onto the train. The train arrived at the savannah where the elephants lived. The elephant loaded the letter N onto the train.
Bounce to the beat. C is for cat with a funny purr. D is for dog with a happy fur. Come and sing with me.
The squirrel is checking the alphabet letters that friends loaded. T, R, A, I, N. Train. T is for train. They say there are alphabet letters hiding on the paper. Let's color with crayons and find the hidden letters. It's the letter T. Uppercase T. Lowercase t. Good job!